Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lisbon public transport full guide. Start by buying a Viva Viagem card at a metro station or newsstand and load it with zapping credit or a daily pass. Validate at the yellow machines before boarding. Learn the difference between zapping and time-based passes, how to check balances, and where to top up. I'll walk you through metro, tram, bus etiquette, and simple tips to save time and money. In this video, I will explain how to use Lisbon public transport full guide. When using the metro, follow colored lines and platform signs to make transfers quick and stress-free. Tap your Viva Viagem card at the gate. For historic trams, board through the middle doors if crowded and step aside to let passengers exit first. I'll share tips on avoiding rush hour, seating etiquette, and where to find route maps in stations and stops. In this video, I will explain how to use Lisbon public transport full guide. Quick recommendation. If you travel around the city, I use leak-proof containers for easy meals between stops and long tram rides. They make packing morning snacks effortless. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Lisbon public transport full guide. Board buses through the front door and tap your Viva Viagem card on the validator. Speak to the driver for connections. Ferries across the Tagus accept the same card, so validate before boarding the ramp. I'll cover how to read bus timetables, avoid common tourist traps, and combine walking with public transport for efficient sightseeing without overspending or getting lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.